Now let's come to ART level events. So at ART level, we have various events, and one of them is prepare for PI planning, which is the focus of this chapter. So PI, prepare for PI planning. What is this? So here, what we do is various stakeholders, including product owner, product management, RT, all these people, leaders of various uh, teams. What they do is they prepare for the upcoming PI. For example, they work on identifying the features which we are going to do in upcoming PI. They make those features ready in terms of the content which is required for them. Also, the solution vision is, if it is going to be the first PI, then they capture the solution vision. If it is going to be uh, um, uh, a second or subsequent PI, then they update the solution vision if there is any update is required to the solution vision. Uh, and there are other activities like that which they do, which we'll cover in upcoming slides. Then the next one uh, in this the next event in this cycle is PI planning. So in PI planning, whatever like the things which we have prepared, for example, the top 10 features and uh, the solution vision, architecture, roadmap, all those things we take to the PI planning, and we actually do the planning for the upcoming PI. What is PI planning on a high level is, here basically as a entire agile release team, we all come together and plan what are the features we are going to do in the upcoming program increment, which is usually of 10 weeks or 5 iteration. That's on a high level we do in PA planning, but more details we can discuss later on. Then there are other key events like coach sync or PO sync. So in coach sync event, what we do is all the scrum masters from various agile teams and the RT, all these people come together in coach sync meeting or event, and discuss the obstacles which are or impediments which are coming in progress of each of their team, or which are coming in progress of the agile release train. So this they discuss all those kind of impediments. If there are any dependencies which are between teams, they discuss those dependency and try to solve those dependencies. They also discuss the progress of each of the agile team, and also discuss the progress of ART, whether we are moving at right pace and whether we are rightly set up to achieve this upcoming iteration objectives and upcoming ART objectives. So those kind of things are discussed in coach sync meeting. Then PO sync meeting. So PO, as the name suggests, product owner sync meeting. So here all the product owners from various teams within the agile release train, they come together along with product management. And the main focus of PO sync meeting is or event is to discuss the progress of various agile teams in terms of the use stories they are working on, what are the obstacles they are facing, and uh, uh, what are the obstacles which are coming in progress of the agile release train. And then sometimes what happens is they combine both of these events into one, which they call as ART sync. If it is combined event, then what will happen is all the scrum master, product owner, agile release train engineer, and the uh, RTE and product management, all of these people come together, and the agenda items from both of these events get combined into a single agenda item. So that's the idea of this ART sync. Then we have this system demo. So system demo, what we do here in system demo is it's a combined demo of all the functionality or the product increment which is together built by the entire agile release train. Here, the functionality which is delivered by all the teams together, the integrated functionality is being demoed to the wider ART stakeholders, and basically the various stakeholders review the functionality. Here, the product owners and product management also review the functionality which is delivered by uh, Agile Release Train, and they receive any feedback which is coming on the product increment. And if the product owners and product managers think that anything need to change based on this feedback, that is captured, and they work on that. Then the next one is inspect and adapt. What is inspect and adapt event is basically here, at Agile Release Train level, we'll the entire release train look back at what went well, what did not went well in the process and tooling or the ways of working they are using as an entire release train, as an entire agile release train. And they discuss and agree that these are the good things, these are not necessarily that much good, and these are the things which where we need changes. So the things which where they need changes, they are agreed, and they kind of later on they are kind of implemented as backlog items in upcoming PI. So these are the various events in a agile release train or ART level.